Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thulisile Kolweni. If you're new here, welcome, and welcome. Please don't leave without subscribing, commenting, and liking this video. It really means a lot to me. And share it with your friends and your family if you can. I would really appreciate that. We are growing a road to 500 supporters. I am so grateful to everyone that has already subscribed. Thank you so much, and you are welcome to invite other people to come and subscribe. And if you're my day one, you guys know what it is. Well, we do. Thank you so much, my love, for coming back and watching this video. It really means a lot. Like, your support and your love that you've been showing me is so much appreciated. You wouldn't understand it. So thank you so much. So in today's video, I am gonna do a quick face review. So I'm gonna give you my honest review about the quick face makeup kit. And yeah, and also I would like to say sorry, like apologies. I'm so sorry that I haven't uploaded. I know that I said that there's gonna be one video every week, but your girl has been so tired. Work has been a lot, and I'm just exhausted now. Like, I had so much ideas that I want to execute, but I couldn't execute them because I work long hours, and I would work long days also before I'm off, and by the time I'm off I'm exhausted. But that's no excuse. That's why I'm back here and doing what I love. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this without me wasting too much of your time. Let's get into the video. So I've already used the Infinite Hydrating Mist. I have used that. It's amazing. My favorite thing, because I can also wear it without having to do makeup. So like on a normal day when I don't feel like wearing makeup, I spritz this and my face is hydrated. So that's my favorite thing right now. In terms of packaging, I mean, I love it. It's so aesthetically pleasing. But if we are being like real about it, white and makeup, it's not cute to clean it. It would leave stains. For example, you see my bag here already has a stain, which is not cute. So in terms of packaging, I love that it's aesthetically pleasing, but look at that. It's a mess, child. So I'm not really sure if I'm in love with the packaging. It's a beautiful idea, but especially this one. Maybe other ones I wouldn't be so, you know, about it, but for this one, I mean, look at the mess. And like, there's no way I'm gonna be clean that out, like it be completely white. So packaging wise, it's cute for Instagram because it's aesthetically pleasing, you know. But if we are being realistic, I am not so sure. Like, look at my mascara. This was white. It's no longer white. It's like because of the foundation or the concealer. So it's cute and all, but if I had to rate it, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Oh, that's harsh, but that's just how I feel. So since I've already prepped my skin, like I've put the Infinite Hydrating Mist, I'm just gonna tie this at the back, and I'll give you my honest opinion about it. So you see my skin is glowing, so I love the product inside. They just, like, honestly do the job, you know. So I love that. Like, you can see my skin is glowing, which I love so much. And I'm gonna go and do this, and once it's blended I will let you guys know. So I normally go in with a concealer brush just to apply that. So I use a concealer brush by Black Up, and I just dip in there. And I love that it's creamy, so It's easy to blend, honestly. It's so easy to blend. Also, you know the trend where you would put your contour before you put your foundation. I get the concept of why they just did it like this instead of putting the foundation on top of it, and it does make sense because it's a quick fix, you know, and you don't want too much product on your face. Honestly, you do not. So I love how cream this is. Love, love, love. And then my jawline. And now I just cleaned my brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade. I feel like that's very close to my skin, so I'm gonna go with that. It does give a kind of red thing going on, but I'm just putting it next to the contour. This shade here, that's the lighter shade, I think. I'm gonna highlight myself with it, but that was excessive, obviously. I am done. I'm gonna use my Real Technique Beauty Blender, and I'm gonna first try to blend the highlighter. You see, it's very easy to blend, and also my beauty blender is damp, so it's not dry. But what I would say is, don't do it like I did, especially if you're a beginner. Just blend put one color, blend that, and then work your way into another color and blend that in. I think that will work better for if you are a beginner. And now I'm gonna go. Okay, I need to blend this. See? And then I'm gonna go with, again, to blend it all together with the lighter shade. As you can see, I look like what is going on. This is also my favorite thing. I love how soft, gel and creamy this is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm so tired of fixing this because my eye keeps crying. I'm gonna move on with the highlighter because I don't know how to fix it, obviously. There you have it, my loves. So out of all the things, I think my favorite things is the mascara, the loose powder, the hydrating mixture, and I'm not sure about the highlighter. Like, I'm in between the highlighter, but it does blend very nice and very easily. So yeah, that is all I have for you today. If I had to give the whole brand rating, it will be 8 out of 10. I really am enjoying it, and obviously I haven't used like in a long time where I can actually, like, you know. So I really do enjoy it. I like the concept. I like that you can get all 7 steps in one packaging and at a reasonable price, because this is 599 rand. You get all of these things in it, like super affordable. I cannot say that enough. And yeah, packaging, I'll give it a 3 actually. In terms of packaging, like the color of it, I'll give it a 3 because look at that. It's so messy, and we all know makeup is very hard, it's very stainy, it does get ruined. Like, I really don't like the white in it. It's so aesthetically pleasing. I get why. Look at this. Like, yeah. And also, I do not like the applicator of the gloss. You see there, everything is left in there, so I really do not like the applicator of this. Maybe if it was like something like a cube where you press and then the product comes out, yeah, it's not really hygienic for me. I really do not like it. But other than that, I really am enjoying the product, and the concealer is very easy to blend, especially if you, because this gives you like a dewy makeup look. So a dewy makeup looks, it means that you must take care of your skin, like have a hydrating skin. I do get why they came up with this is amazing in terms of hydrating your skin. So yeah, that is my review of the Lungile Thabethe and Ayanda Thabethe x Mr. Price. I really am enjoying sharing the things. As you know, I've said what I don't like and yeah, all of that stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all the love. Please give it a huge thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below what would you like also, or what do you like on this quick face makeup kit. I would really love to to hear about it. And also, are you enjoying it? Are you liking it? What are the things that you really do not like? Because it is important to give feedback to the people that do the brand, so that they know next time what works and what doesn't work. I'm sure they would really appreciate an honest review as well. So yeah, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Mwah.